Countertop Fryers from Cooking Performance Group are compact and powerful. Available in 15-pound and 30-pound options, these units have a durable stainless steel body and heavy-duty metal knobs, making them ideal for heavy-use applications. The electric fryers, which can be powered by 208 or 240 volts, come with single or dual tanks and have fully submersed heating elements that tilt back for easy cleaning. The removable oil pan has a large open area to prevent overflow, and the thermostatic temperature control ranges from 120 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. The gas fryers come in natural gas or liquid propane options, with 26,500 BTU or 53,000 BTU and millivolt controls. They feature tube-style burners, a piezo ignition and pilot light, chrome-plated fry baskets, a heavy-duty access door, and adjustable feet. Reliable and built to last, these CPG fryers make the perfect addition to your commercial kitchen.